Welcome to Health and Wellness for You and Your. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bake tilapia, steam green beans, baby cut carrots, and sweet potatoes. Let's get cooking. The first thing we are going to do is use our fruit and veggie scrub brush to scrub off our sweet potato. Make sure it's all clean. I'm using a few squirts of dish detergent. Just like in my other food cooking and baking tutorials, at times I will be speeding up the video. Next, I'm going to peel the sweet potato with a sharp knife. You can also use a potato peeler. I prefer a sharp knife. Whenever using sharp knives to peel potatoes, make sure you're very careful. Take your time and go very slow. Remember, this video is going 4 times the speed. I am taking my time and going slow, and so should you. How do you like to prepare sweet potatoes for holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas? Any unique twists on the classic recipes? Leave a comment and let me know. Next, I'm going to cut the sweet potato into small slices, and that way we can later put them in our steamer to steam them. There are different ways you can cut the sweet potatoes. You can cut them into squares, you can cut them into slices, you can cut them into strips. Just depends on how you like them. What memories do you associate with sweet potatoes? Share a special moment or tradition involving this delicious root vegetable. I remember eating my grandmother's sweet potato pie during Thanksgivings and Christmases, and the memories that we shared coming together as a family during those holiday times, the laughter, open up gifts, and just giving thanks during Thanksgiving for being blessed and healthy and having a happy family. Those were definitely happy times, happy memories. Okay, we're going to give our baby carrots a quick rinse before adding them to our steamer. Here are some fun nutrition facts about baby carrots. Baby carrots are a low-calorie snack, making them a great option for those watching their weight. Despite their small size, baby carrots pack a good amount of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller longer. Baby carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and immune function. Baby carrots are convenient to eat on the go and require no preparation, making them a perfect healthy snack choice. Baby carrots have high water content, helping you stay hydrated, especially important during hot summer days or after workouts. Baby carrots have a crisp texture, which provides a satisfying crunch, making them a great alternative to chips or other unhealthy snacks. Baby carrots can be enjoyed raw as a snack, added to salads for extra crunch, or cooked in various dishes like stir fries or soups. Baby carrots contain antioxidants like vitamin C, which help combat free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic disease. After I finish adding the sweet potatoes to the steamer rack, I will tackle the green beans. Okay, it's time to rinse off and clean up our green beans. A lot of times you'll notice that some of them will not be good, so you can disregard them. And what we're going to also do is snap off the ends. Here are 10 fun nutritional facts about eating green beans. Green beans are low in calories, making them a great option for weight management and calorie conscious diets. Green beans are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping you feel full longer. Green beans are packed with vitamins like vitamin C, which support the immune system, and vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. They are also rich in minerals like potassium, essential for heart health and muscle function. Green beans contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them suitable for diabetic friendly diets. Green beans have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration and helping maintain optimal body functions. They can be enjoyed raw, steamed, sauteed, or even pickled, providing flexibility in meal preparation and culinary creativity. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in green beans support heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and their crisp texture adds a satisfying crunch to dishes, enhancing the eating experience and making them a delightful addition to meals. How do you like to serve your baked tilapia? With rice, vegetables, or maybe a side salad? Leave a comment and let me know. Do you have any family favorite recipes or traditions involving tilapia or other seafoods? I appreciate your comments. Have you ever tried making baked tilapia before, or is this your first time? Leave a comment and let me know. What's the most adventurous seafood dish you've ever tried making at home? If you could only use three ingredients to season your baked tilapia, what would they be and why? Steaming vegetables offers several health advantages. Number one, it preserves nutrients. Steaming vegetables help retain their vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients better than other cooking methods like boiling or frying. Since the vegetables are cooked quickly in steam, they're less exposed to high temperatures, which can degrade sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Next, we're going to fill our steaming pot with water and add all of our vegetables. Number two, maintains texture and flavor. Steaming allows vegetables to maintain their natural texture and flavors better than boiling, where they can become mushy, or frying, which can add unhealthy fats. This preservation of texture and flavor encourages consumption of vegetables, making it easier to meet daily nutritional needs. And number three, low calorie and fat content. Steaming vegetables requires no additional fat or oil, making it a low calorie and low fat cooking method. This can be advantageous for those looking to manage their weight or reduce their intake of unhealthy fats. Steamed vegetables can also be a great option for individuals with dietary restrictions, such as those following low fat or low calorie diets. Next, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and once it reaches that temperature, we're going to bake our tilapia fish between 15 and 20 minutes on 350 degrees. It's time to prepare our tilapia. I like to use cooking shears, cooking scissors to open up the tilapia packaging. It just makes it easier. I'm going to rinse off the tilapia in warm water and then add the tilapia to the pan. I definitely like to wash my hands several times to make sure all the bacteria is gone and so that bacteria doesn't contaminate any of the other food. When you wash your hands, don't forget to clean, clean, clean under your fingernails. Let's add a little salt. Let's add a little Cajun seasoning. What's your favorite seasoning or marinade to use when preparing fish dishes like tilapia? I appreciate you leaving a comment and letting me know. Let's add a little butter for flavoring and to keep it nice and moist and tender. I am adding the glass lid to make sure all the moisture stays in while the tilapia is baking. Do you prefer your tilapia baked, grilled, or pan fried? Why? Thank you for leaving me a comment. Here are a few of my creative tilapia preparation suggestions. It's time for Trey's Creative Tilapia Preparation Suggestion. Baked tilapia with lemon herbs. Season tilapia fillets with lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and herbs like parsley or thyme. Bake until tender and flaky for a light and flavorful dish. Grilled tilapia tacos. Marinate tilapia in a mixture of lime juice, chili powder, and cumin. Then grill until cooked through. Serve in warm tortillas with avocado, salsa, and a squeeze of lime for delicious fish tacos. Pan seared tilapia with garlic butter. Coat tilapia fillets in a mixture of flour, salt, and pepper, then pan sear until golden brown. Finish by topping with a garlic butter sauce for a rich and indulgent flavor. Coconut crusted tilapia. Dip tilapia fillets in beaten egg, then coat with a mixture of shredded coconut and breadcrumbs. Bake or fry until crispy or golden for a tropical twist on tilapia. Tilapia ceviche. Marinate tilapia cubes in lime juice with diced onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapenos until the fish is cooked by the acidity of the citrus. Serve chilled as a refreshing and tangy appetizer or light meal. Stir fried tilapia with vegetables. Cut tilapia into bite sized pieces and stir fry with your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Season with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic for a quick and healthy meal. All of our vegetables have been steaming for 30 minutes, so we can turn the eye off now. The tilapia has been baking for 20 minutes, so it's time to remove it from the oven. It smells delicious. It's all done. Check it out. And there you have it. We have baked tilapia, green beans, baby carrots, and sweet potatoes. Now all we have to do is taste it and see how it tastes. Very delicious and flavorful. Now, the key to cooking that tilapia just perfect is adding the butter. Now, that's my secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. Now, feel free to tell your friends and family. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit your notifications so you can get future videos directly to your cell phone and or computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.